All right, so what we're gonna do today, I'm keeping the beard so when it does get a little chilly out here, I'll be warm. But you know, by the time it gets cool again, or warm again, I'll cut that sucker off, trim it up. But anyway, what we're doing is we are making a trail, and it's gonna be beautiful. We're gonna try to trim some of these vines that are choking the trees and clear it out wide enough for a obviously four-wheeler or side-by-side can fit through here to make it beautiful. All right, cool beans. And all we're using is muscle, pruners, and a potential chainsaw if needed. Bet y'all are wondering, why ain't he using a mower? Well, guess what? I don't have one.
Right through here, right along here, right through here. That leads to one of the trails. Ow. Thorns. So this right here, that bridge, if you can see it, all this has already been made. Right now, we're making this. Still working on it, but I'll show you where it goes. Right through here. That's steep. Right through here. Right through here.
We kind of want to make this a walk trail too, so anything that you can trip on, like little vines in the ground that you can trip over, I'm just trying to cut those out too. Yes, a mower will be, tow behind mower or something like that would be great. Can't really get a tractor through here because it's kind of tight in the woods, but that's why we got to just use muscle and pruners and maybe a chainsaw, but I don't have to really cut too many trees, just a lot of brush and all that good stuff. So just want to clear that up, so if you want to walk it, you can walk it. If you want to ride on it, ride, whatever you want to do. So that's what we're doing. Right, see right here? Little thing right here, you trip on that. It's gone.
Oh, wow. Beautiful. Then to go over there, it's a big mess. You see them? Say hashtag see them down below if you can see them. Through all that mess. Oh, I'm going back. We just saw a doe and a buck running up this hill, actually, before we even started making this trail. Which that was about 40 minutes ago, probably. I'm just guessing. That is why I needed to. Yeah, I'm good. I don't know where to go. I don't know how I got up there. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I got down over here.
So that was a good start on that one. We're definitely going to come back and go back to that one. But we've already saw about, I don't know, a 6-point buck and a couple of doe just a minute ago. So we're trying to, we're not trying to be quiet. We're trying to get some stuff done, but it is what it is. But next goal is to move all that out of the way. If you can see all that mess, we have a trail going straight through there and around the corner, you know, that way. And then back to the left that way. So trying to clear all that out. And if we get that done, that would be good for today. And yes, I might get the old strap out and try to pull some of that mess out versus using my muscle.
So I have a slushy here. He's cutting a tree. I don't know what he's cutting. I'll see him. See him?
Well, it's almost cleared out. Got all the big stuff kind of threw it over here and threw it over here, but all that stuff is slowly, surely a little bit more work to do. I gotta clear that little piece out right here, but kind of started right here. Kind of clear all this right here out as well, all through here. Then it will kind of circle around down through there. Really can't see, it's getting a little dark. I'm gonna have to cut the video a little bit short, but you will see the end result shortly. My GoPro just died, so using the backup, which is the phone, but it's pretty good. Actually, probably has a little better lighting in the dark. Anyway, there's Big Man. I used to call him Little Man, but he's getting a little bit tall now. But yes, sir. It's gonna be good. Clearing that out, you can kind of see the trail here shortly. Getting kind of cleared out. It's hard to show. It's hard to see it on camera, but you can kind of see a distinctive trail right through there, and it's gonna go right through there. So along the creek line, it goes to another trail, and we're gonna have trails for days. All right, I appreciate it. Caden, do the outro. Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Peace.
Out.
Out.
We love you.
Out.